It is delicious, and it has vitamins A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And you can mix it up with anything you can eat. I mean anything. Yum! Orange juice will put you in a good mood. Watch, just watch. Hello, fellow classmates. Get out of there! I will kick you in the Changa. So, as you have seen, orange juice is a great product made by Jimmy Barlow, our great producer of orange juice. Orange juice is the greatest product ever made by Jimmy Barlow. Jimmy Barlow, you're one heck of a producer. Now, let's just put it all in here. Nah, I'm just messing with you.